Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Sephora haul. The first haul I actually purchased during the VIB sale, which was around a month ago or so. And the second haul I actually purchased a few sunscreens and a new product from Paula's Choice. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this haul. The first item is by Paula's Choice. It's the Omega Plus Complex Cleansing Balm. I was so excited when this was released because actually I haven't tried much from Paula's Choice, and I saw Dr. Dre review this balm and she said that it's really nice, very effective. So I decided to pick it up, and it wasn't very expensive. I mean, Paula's Choice is just very similar to Sephora prices, and specifically this product wasn't that expensive. So I decided to pick it up, and I must say, don't get a lot of product. It's around 100 ml or 3.5 fluid ounces, which definitely isn't a lot of product. I mean, the Inculist one is 150 ml. So yeah, this is definitely a lot less than that, but I'm excited to try this out and review it for you guys. The next two products, I actually paid full price for these. I didn't pick them up during the sale, and these are by Supergoop. They're two sunscreens. These guys right here. The first one is the Supergoop Play UVB High Protection SPF 50 Everyday Lotion with sunflower extract. Very water resistant. Actually, the reason I picked this up is for days when I decide to work out outdoors, especially now in the summer. I wanted something that was very water resistant, and that was really made for the face. So that's why I picked this up. It comes in this cute tube, very similar to their other sunscreens. And this is a purely chemical sunscreen. The active ingredients are homosalate, autocrylene, and avobenzone. The only thing about this is, just like a lot of Supergoop products, this has fragrance in it. And honestly, maybe I shouldn't have picked it up, but now that I did, I have to use it. It is cruelty-free and it's valid for 6 months from the date of opening. I will review this on my channel, so make sure you subscribe if you'd like to see my review on this product. Another product that I picked up by Paula's Choice, it's I think the star product of the brand. It's the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I picked it up in the small size, 30 ml, because I have so many exfoliating treatments and I just really wanted to try this because everybody seems to be raving about it. So it comes like this. Yeah, I'm really excited to be trying this out, and I will definitely report back to you. And during the second haul that I made on Sephora.com, I was eligible to some gifts. So I decided to pick up the Drunk Elephant Peptide Rally. This box right here, it's essentially, what you get in here is 7 double shots of protein. So you get 7 samples of their Protini Powerpeptide Resurfacing Serum, the very expensive serum that was recently launched, and 7 samples of their Protini Polypeptide Cream. So it's really cute. I just wish, they just put them in like a bottle rather than all of these samples. Such a waste. But they say this is like a 1 week supply, but I'm pretty sure you can use this for much longer than that. And this was a great value. I got this for free, so I'm super excited to try it out. And I said in my anti-haul wishlist video that I would love to try their resurfacing serum, but I really didn't want to pay full price because I believe it's around $85 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I'm getting quite a decent amount in this box and definitely enough to form an opinion. So super excited about this. This Sephora haul is definitely heavy on sunscreens. The final product, and it is actually a kit, it is full of sunscreens and summer products. It's the Sephora Favorites Sun Safety Kit. This comes with 13 products curated for the summer. It is also in partnership with Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. So it says here that Sephora will donate $25 from the sale of this kit, with a minimum donation of $700,000, which is amazing. Basically, this is a charity. I believe this is a center where they do research for cancer, and maybe they treat children for free. I'm not really sure. I will leave a link to this organization or center down in my description box if you'd like to know more. But unfortunately, this kit is no longer available for sale, and it was coming in and out of stock for a couple of days before it went out of stock completely. This is in such high demand. I believe they do this every year. So I'm really excited that I was able to get my hands on it. As you guys can see, it has quite a nice range of different sunscreens, and a lot of these sunscreens are on the expensive side. So I'm glad I'm able to try them out in a smaller size and really not pay much. I believe I paid for this kit around $35 during the sale. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. They look quite small. So the first product is by Biossance, and it's the Squalane+Zinc Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. This is a deluxe size, and this sunscreen is definitely one that a lot of people absolutely love. I actually recently picked up the sunscreen from their sister brand. It's called Pipette, something like that, and a lot of people are saying that sunscreen is a dupe for this. So I'm gonna try it out and hopefully figure out whether it actually is a dupe for that. Next product is by Peter Thomas Roth. It's the Water Drench Broad Spectrum SPF 45 Hyaluronic Cloud Moisturizing Sunscreen. This guy right here, definitely on the small size, and you only get 5 ml. So this would last you for 1 use or max, I believe, 2 uses if you're applying sunscreen properly. It says here it's 30% hyaluronic acid complex, and it's a cream to water invisible finish. So I never heard anything about this, so I'm excited to be trying it out. Next product is by Murad. It is the Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30 PA+++. If you guys know, one of my favorite sunscreens is actually by the brand Murad. It is not this one, even though that one is also orange. It's actually SPF 50, and that one is a mineral sunscreen, whereas this is a chemical sunscreen. The active ingredients are avobenzone, homosalate, octinoxate, octisalate, and avobenzone. Oh, and oxybenzone. Haven't heard much about this either, so I'm excited to be trying it out. And this is quite a decent amount. It is 23 ml, so definitely a nice amount of product. Next product is by Kate Somerville, and this is not a sunscreen. It's the DeliKate Recovery Serum. So essentially, this is a serum that's supposed to soothe your skin after sun exposure. Really nice packaging, also good amount of product, 10 ml. This brand is expensive, so it's always good to get them in kits like this, where we can try it out before committing to the bigger price tag. Next product is a product that I've always wanted to try, but was never really willing to pay the price. It is by Shiseido, and it's the, what is this sunscreen called? The Ultimate Sun Protection Lotion SPF 50+, very water resistant, and this is a very, very small size. This is essentially a chemical sunscreen, but a lot of people say that the formulation on this is amazing. It's not oily, it's not irritating. So I know a lot of people absolutely love this. That's why I always wanted to try it. Glad to get it. I would have wished to have a slightly bigger size, but this would last me for maybe 1 or 2 uses. I think if I do end up enjoying this sunscreen, I will commit to the fuller size. I'm really hoping it's going to live up to all the hype around it. Next product is by Dermalogica, and it's the Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF 50 Broad Spectrum. I personally haven't tried many products from Dermalogica, even though I see it everywhere. Especially where I live, it's a very popular brand, but I haven't tried much from them. So looking forward to be trying this out. Let me know, guys, do you like this brand and which products you like from Dermalogica? Because I would like to dive into the brand, but I really don't know what to pick up since they seem to have quite a large number of products. Next product is by Hum Nutrition, and we see this brand in almost every single kit. This is the Here Comes the Sun D3 without UV damage, high potency vitamin D3. So we get 3 vegan soft gels. We did receive this in the Sunshine Edit from Cult Beauty, but we actually received the full size that has 30 capsules. It's essentially just a vitamin D3 supplement, and you take one every day. Next product is a full-size product, and it is by Dr. Dennis Gross. It's the All Physical Dark Spot Sun Defense Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 50. This is a mineral sunscreen, full size, very generous. I'm pretty sure this on its own is more expensive than the entire kit, so definitely a great deal. I love a lot of products by Dr. Dennis Gross, and I'm looking forward to be trying this out. Next up, we've got a sunscreen by Supergoop. I think I have by now like 5 sample sizes of this sunscreen. It's the Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40, Broad Spectrum Sunscreen, water and sweat resistant, up to 40 minutes. So this guy right here, I did unbox this in many unboxings in the past. It is essentially like a silicone-based clear sunscreen. It is chemical, and I know a lot of people with oily skin enjoy this, but I don't have oily skin. But I'm sure I can figure out a way to use this up or give it to a friend. Next product is by Ren, again another brand that we see in almost every single kit. It's the Clean Screen Mineral SPF 30 Mattifying Face Sunscreen Broad Spectrum. It has 22% zinc oxide. So this is a mineral sunscreen. I haven't heard much about this sunscreen, and really I have no idea if it leaves any white cast or not. And we get a decent amount, 10 ml, so this would last at least a week or 2 weeks. Next up, we've got a product by Lancome, and it's the UV Expert Aquagel Defense 50 Sunscreen. So I'm guessing this is SPF 50, broad spectrum, all-day primer and moisturizer. Again, this is 10 ml. This is not a physical sunscreen, it's a chemical sunscreen. It's a mixture of, the writing is so small, avobenzone, homosalate, octisalate, octocrylene, and oxybenzone. Never heard anything about this either, so looking forward to be trying it out. Next product is also a full-size product. It is by Clinique, and it's the Pep-Start Daily UV Protector Broad Spectrum SPF 50. I have used this in the past. It's such a nice formulation, very lightweight, sinks into the skin straight away, so super excited to get this in this kit. This is a purely physical sunscreen. It's a mixture of titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. I will show it to you guys. It has a peachy tint that tends to disappear once you rub it in. As you guys can see, it has completely disappeared. I absolutely love this sunscreen. I have used it in the past. The only downside to it, it's definitely a little bit expensive since it's Clinique, and also it's quite a small size. I think you get only 1 fluid ounce, which is not the typical amount you would get in a sunscreen. Usually the typical amount is between 40 to 50 ml. And the last product in this kit is by Isle of Paradise. It's the medium self tanning drops. Such a cute bottle. This is so tiny. How much do we get? We get 4 ml only. This is essentially like a fake tan. I believe this is meant to be for the face. I personally don't self tan, but maybe I will be interested in this sometime in the future. So happy to get this and be able to try it out. That's it for today's haul. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these products and whether you like it or not. If you'd like to see more content similar to this or just skincare related, make sure you subscribe to my channel for my future content. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, and I'll see you in my next one.